Do you want to make video calls on your Amazon Echo Show? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Make video calls on your Echo Show. Calls to Echo Show devices can use the camera and add visual effects and reactions. On your Echo Show device, swipe down from the top of the screen and select Communicate. Then select Call. Now, select which contact on your account you want to call. Select the device that you want to reach them with. Select an Echo Show device for a video call. To turn off the camera at any time, select Video Off or press the device mute button. Press the device mute button again to turn the camera back on. To send animated reactions during the call, select Smile and select a reaction. The reactions play on all screens on the call. Method 2. Create your calling group. You can use the Alexa app to create your calling group. Open the Alexa app, select More, open Communicate, select Contacts, select Add New, select Add Group, then enable Group Calling. Add group members and select Continue. Name the group and select Create Group. The name you give your calling group is also used to make group calls with your voice. And there you have it, the method to make video calls on your Amazon Echo Show. We hope the methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video.